Once upon a time, this wouldn't have been a topic. Nowadays, the ever-increasing globalization changed the landscape and we now have what we call intermarriage, which is basically a marriage between two racially different persons. Hello, I am Daniel and today I will guide into challenges of intermarriages. 1. Families. When two people fall in love, they merge two families. When races are different, there never is a background unity because of cultural differences. As a result, stepparents have a tough time blending into mixed-race households. 2. Language. When language is different, it will affect communication within the couple. It will also completely break apart the relationship between the two families. It also creates the problem of what language will children speak. 3. Religion. Religion is an important factor to take into consideration. Beliefs are greater than love. Intermarriages often face a religious fracture. This can lead to heavy misunderstandings between the spouses and between the children. 4. Children's identity. The poorest victims are always children. They always struggle to find themselves when they are mixed race. The worst is in school when they start getting bullied by other children. They are more likely to develop mental problems. 5. Visa. In certain countries, getting married to a local is not synonymous with nationality adoption or permanent stay. This situation is a permanent stress factor in intermarriages as the threat of separation is always present. 6. Society's perception. Some societies have greater standards of acceptance than passports and marriages. In these societies, the life of mixed-race couples is a daily hell. They are never accepted. Although they have the papers, they are unfairly set aside by society. Are you in intermarriage? Would you recommend it? Leave your comment down below. Click on the like button. Then subscribe and turn on the bell notification.